take a moment to stretch your arms overhead, to go from side to side. You could roll out your wrists. You could stretch your neck side to side. Roll your head forward and to the shoulder and over to the other shoulder. You could roll your shoulders up and back a little. You could do a gentle twist from one side to the other. Lean forward a little bit, stretch the hips. Option to extend the legs and roll out the ankles and feet. And then settle yourself into a comfortable seat. Could be on a chair with your back against a pillow and your feet flat on the floor. Could be seated on a meditation cushion. And let yourself arrive. Feel your hands resting on your lap. You can let your eyes start to close down. Maybe they don't go all the way closed. You might just look to a spot in front of you on the floor. Or if it feels good in your body, let your eyes close all the way down. Take a deep breath in through your nose. An open mouth, clear it out. Sigh. Let go of your day and arrive here. Take another breath in through the nose. Open mouth, clearing breath out. You can continue the deep breaths if that feels good for you. Or simply bring your awareness to the physical world around you. With your eyes closed, can you notice the temperature of the air on your skin? Notice the sound of my voice. And also notice the quiet space between my words. Notice the weight of your body pressing into the chair or the floor. Patanjali reminds us in Sutra 2.15 that the outer world is constantly changing, as well as our thoughts. Our thoughts are constantly changing. Our bodies change. Our feelings can shift like the weather. And trying to hold on to these changing things is what causes friction. It's what causes us to feel anxious. Or the Sanskrit word for this is dukkha. Dukkha. But then in Sutra 2.16, Patanjali promises us that future suffering can be avoided. So for the next few minutes, I invite you to choose to step off the wheel of changing things. We're going to practice the art of leaving future suffering behind. Notice your breath. If it feels good, take 1 or 2 more deep breaths here. Immerse yourself fully into the next inhale and exhale. I invite you to turn your attention inward and notice your mind. Notice that you have thoughts passing through your mind right now. And with each thought that comes up, notice if it's a memory of something from the past. Notice if it's something on a to-do list, or if it's a worry or an anticipation. And the invitation is to just be with and notice whatever shows up as an observer looking in. Often we suffer as humans because we mistake these passing thoughts for who we actually are. We get confused. We let ourselves merge the seer and the seen. So say to yourself silently, I am not the thought. I am the one who is witnessing the thought. I am not the thought. I am the one who is witnessing the thought. If physical sensations arise, an itch, a tightness, even a wave of comfort, look at it as if you were separate from the sensation. See the sensation, and you can say to yourself, I am not the sensation. I am the one who is witnessing the sensation. I am not the sensation. I am the one who is witnessing the sensation. If an emotion arises, boredom, peace, anxiety, love, irritation, look at it as if you were looking through a window at your experience of the emotion. And you could say to yourself, I am not the emotion. I am the one who is witnessing the emotion. I am not the emotion. I am the one who is witnessing the emotion. All of these things, the thoughts, the body, the feelings, belong to the world of the seen. They are changing. They are passing through. You are the space they are passing through. Now I invite you to feel the specific point where your awareness meets your mind. The ego wants to tie a knot here. It wants to say, this is my mind. This is my pain. This is my story. This is the alliance of ignorance. It's a knot that ties us to our thoughts, our sensations, and our emotions. You might use your breath or just an awareness of softening to gently untie that knot. Let your mind be like a movie screen. And let your consciousness be the light of the projector. The movie on the screen might be a storm. It might be a drama or a comedy. But the screen itself never gets wet, never burns, and never changes. You are the screen. Let the mind do what it does. Let thoughts come, let thoughts go. You don't need to fight them. You don't need to change them. Just sit back as the quiet, resting witness. Quiet, resting witness may allow the experience of Kavalya, of ultimate freedom, the simple, pure independence of your awareness, unbound by what it sees. Unbound by the sensations, unbound by the thoughts. This steady state of watching without grasping is called Viveka Khyati, unbroken discriminative awareness. Every time you choose to witness a thought rather than get lost in it, you light the lamp of wisdom. You break the power of the kleshas. You dissolve ignorance. Every time you choose to witness rather than get lost in attachment, you get to experience the sevenfold highest wisdom, where you are whole, you are unchanging, you are pure, untroubled, unbounded consciousness. Slowly begin to deepen your breath. Notice the expansion of your chest as you breathe in, and the fall of your shoulders as you breathe out. As you prepare to return the rest of your day, remember this little secret that the outer world will keep changing. Your body will keep changing. Your mind will keep changing, but you can always step back into the seat of the seer. You can carry this unshakable stillness with you into every action. And gently bring your palms to touch at the center of your chest. Patanjali Mudra. Feel your palms touching. Witness the sensations in your hands touching each other. We'll Om together, the sound of universal consciousness, A-O-Um, one time. Inhale. Clearing breath out. Inhale for Om. Bring your thumbs to touch the middle of your forehead. May all beings everywhere be blessed with happiness and freedom. May the thoughts, words, and actions of our own lives contribute to that happiness and freedom for all. We bow forward in gratitude for this practice that came to us from India and brought us together today. Say thank you.